Welcome to Art Magic.
Today, we'll guide you through creating a heartwarming scene of a mama sloth carrying her adorable baby on her back while lounging on a tree branch. Get your pencils and colors ready, and let's dive in. Now, draw a large oval shape for the mama sloth's body, positioned comfortably on the branch. Remember to make it slightly elongated to depict her relaxed posture. Next, sketch a smaller oval shape for the baby sloth, snugly nestled on the mama sloth's back. This little one is enjoying a piggyback ride. Define the sloth's features by adding round eyes, a cute button nose, and a gentle smile for both mama and baby sloth. Make sure they're looking towards the viewer to add a friendly connection. Draw the sloth's limbs extending outward, with rounded claws for gripping onto the branch securely. Sloths are known for their slow movements, so keep the limbs relaxed and slightly drooping. Now, it's time to add color. Use a soft pink shade for the mama sloth, symbolizing warmth and affection. Fill in the baby sloth with a cheerful yellow hue, representing joy and innocence. Shade the tree branch with varying tones of brown to create depth and dimension. Blend darker shades near the edges. Voila! You've successfully drawn a heart-melting depiction of a mama sloth and her baby, perfect for celebrating Mother's Day. Don't forget to share your masterpiece with your mom or any special mother figure in your life to spread love and appreciation. Please share your home paintings, drawings, and coloring with me on my Facebook page, Art Magic Drawings. Visit our page where you'll find numerous drawings available for printing and coloring.
By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.